This video I'm going to teach you about the technical analysis aspect of trading the forex market. The forex market is being moved by two aspects of trading, which is the fundamental and the technical analysis. And the technical analysis almost take the 75% of the trading rules in the trading world, while the remaining 25% is being moved or is being traded by fundamental analysis. But the most important thing you need to know as a beginner or as a forex trader is that the forex market is being totally moved by fundamental news release by each country or by the stability of the currency of any forex of any country. So I won't bore you with all the technical know-how, but the thing today I want to teach you about support and resistance. Support and resistance level, as we know, is the level at which the market either takes a direction, change momentum, or reverse. But the most important thing you need to know that support and resistance level is the level at which the market reacts. It is either when it is consolidating, or is in an uptrend, or in a downtrend. There are levels where there is what we call supply and demand, but in a very simple terms, today I'm going to teach you simple way to trade by using a support and resistance level. So like I used to say, I'm teaching you on a 15 minutes chart. Now let's say I want to trade this market. I want to trade here. What I need to look for is the lowest and the highest of a ranging market. Let me draw a line here. There's a range here. Look at here. We have to connect either two lower low or three lower low. Then the top again, we look for another top. Just look somewhere around here. So meanwhile, the market has been trading in this range and later broke out from here. You can see it broke out from this candle here. Now most times if you want to trade this strategy, what we do is that you place what we call a pending order. A pending order is that when you draw these two lines, you now place your entry above, maybe 10 pips above the resistance line, let's say somewhere around here, so that when it gets to this place, the market will now trigger and you now place your take profit, maybe 20 pips somewhere around here, and it will, when it triggers here, okay, when it triggers this entry and move 20 pips above. Now if you don't know the direction when you place this what's it called, place this support and resistance level, when you place this line, you also place this line, you don't know the direction that the market will go. So what you do is you place a pending order here to buy, or you either wait. You see, you place a pending order here to buy, and you go again, you place a pending order here. You can just leave the market to just do its own radicality. You see, place another for sell. Here you place sell here. You get it? It's very simple. And you place your TP below here, somewhere around here. So whichever one that it triggers, if it triggers the sell, you get, if it triggers, if it triggers the sell here, you close the buy. So but most times if you want to watch your trade and you see that it triggers any of them, the most important thing for you is to do is just it's break out of any of the range. If it break out of any of the range, the most important thing is for you to just place your trade at the breakout. place your trade at the breakout, put your take profit, and just close the market if you cannot watch it. The most important thing I will tell you is that you need to always be patient. You need to always be patient. So this is how to trade the support and resist. Let's look for another opportunity here. Let's look for another opportunity on this chart. We just okay, on the 15 minutes chart, let's look for another opportunity. What you always look for is where the market is ranging, where there's a ranging market, and the higher the range, the higher the breakout. The force of the breakout will be very huge. Okay, and sometimes you can use the support and resist, what's it called, the trend line, just like in this place now. If you want to trade here now, you can just draw a trend line, you see, and I will still teach you about that in another video. I'll teach you about that in how to trade with a trend line or a tunnel. And this kind of trading, honestly, it works in all markets, be it the forex market, be it the volatility index market, sorry, my cursor is misbehaving. You understand? There's no market that doesn't respect technical analysis. This pure technical analysis. Okay, look at this place now. Let's draw a line, a support and resistance line here. This is a good way. See it? You see how the market break out? You see? So in this aspect now, if you place your markets, you actually make huge profit. So most times I don't like people who go and draw a lot of things in their charts, Okay, let's look for another place, look for another opportunity. Okay, look at here. Now we can still use what do I call it? Now look at it. Place it, your support and resistance. That is a resistance. The market was unable to go beyond this the level for a while. Now it equally was unable to go below this, and when it breaks, the market begins to calm down. The market calms down from here. You can see the break. And sometimes if you want to know whether it is not a false breakout, let the candle, that's this kind of candle, be a momentum candle. That is a momentum candle is a long candle. Whenever a breakout candle is very long, that it did not end somewhere around here, but it's very long the way this one is, definitely the market will follow that direction. Yes, it is very sure, so that it will not be as if it is a fake breakout. So whenever you want to take notice of that, equally that the candle that is breaking should be a very long momentum candle. So this is a simple way of trading a support and resistance level. Thank you for watching my video. If you want to appreciate us, give us a thumbs up and give us and also subscribe, so that next time when I post a video, you can get notified by YouTube that yes, I've actually posted a video. So this video is all about for you to know how technical analysis work. You can demo trade, but honestly, if you work with them, they really work. So next time I'm going to post a video about what the levels or what kind of pattern the volatility index market respect the most. The kind of pattern the volatility market respects the most. So that will be in my next channel. Thank you.